Hey, this is Sherrod, and I am here to do a snack test thing. It's Warheads, supposed to be sour, sweet, and fruity, chewy candy. Test them out. See how sour they are. Not very sour at all. Matter of fact, it's not sour at all. Not sweet though, very chewy, fruity. Like that kind of thing. Not too good though. Right, so we have plenty of household name, good food. So maybe you really know what it's made of. Onion flavored rings. Good tasty. Nice crunch. Delicious. Used to love 'em when I was a kid. Seems I still do. All right. Uh, Masterpiece Snack Chat. Snack, Rap Snacks. Mr. Icon, Master P. Now these are Barbie Quinn with honey. I don't know how good these were. They're gone. All right. And that's my presentation. Thank you for your time.